All right, everybody, it's Mark here, Five Angels Outdoor. We are out on the trail. We are in Ocala National Forest with Buffalo Off-Road. It's a great group here in the Tampa, Central Florida area, and we're hitting some trails. So it's been a while since we've been to Ocala, but we got it going on. It's pretty cool, and we'll record it, we'll show it. Hopefully you'll like this video. Hopkins Prairie. Now, right now it's hunting season, so you can't really disperse camp legally during hunting season, but a lot of people, when dispersed camping is out there, Hopkins Prairie is a top destination and top spot. It's just beautiful to wake up to. I've watched a lot of videos, and I definitely would like to come back here and check this out. This is where everybody camps, Hopkins Prairie, hey? Be some nice camping through here.
Yeah, this spot over here to the right would be an awesome spot to camp for a night.
All right, so we've passed through Hopkins Prairie, which was awesome. We saw some really cool spots that we're gonna wanna come back and do some camping on. First time up this way in Ocala. It's just so big. You know, the times that we've been here just haven't been up this way. Looks like we're gonna cross paths with some of the Florida Adventure Trail, so the F.A.T, you know, so we'll double onto some of those. So we'll see how it goes. But thanks for sticking with us, and should be a great day. Get a little shot of the vehicles behind us. We have 5, and then we have another one joining us, so we'll have 6 total here pretty soon. This area has been pretty good. We came through an area where there was plenty of logging activity. It was pretty dusty and dirty. Now we're coming into a little bit more sugary sand area, and we'll try to figure out what direction we're going on this trail. Looks like we'll go this way. Got a little pond or something over there. But yeah, keeping up with these trails, looking good. Yep, we continue on these sugary sand trails. You just got to keep your momentum going. You know, it's not too bad. You know, but you know, we've seen people get stuck in the sugar sand. But as long as you keep your momentum going, there's our cut pretty good, so I don't think anybody in the group's got to worry about it. But yeah, this is Ocala. Not too tight. It's been pretty open, so nothing to worry about on these trails we've been to regarding pinstriping or anything like that. But all right, we've stopped a little bit at the side of the trail. Here's our vehicles. We have Christian and his Bronco. Here's the Bison, looking good, doing good. Another Bronco, this is Bill's Bronco. Then we got another Bronco, the Everglades. Doors off, looking good, tube doors. And then we got the TJ, looking good. Look at that, Scully. All right, this is Trail 9. We passed the Tread Lightly sign, and now we're cruising south on Trail 9. So we'll see where we end up going from here. Yeah, this is a nice, well-maintained road. Interesting, you can see how the trees are bending a bit all in one direction. Must have been from a storm or something like that. So, but yeah, this is just a well-maintained gravel road. Looks like what, trail 22 that we're on. So we'll see where we're heading next. Yeah. I think Greg's right. Oh, he's got it. Go, 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 go. Woo! There it is. Yep, speed, speed, speed. Nice. Speed, speed, go, 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 go. Nice, needed that momentum. Come on. Great job. Oh. Woo! All right, and that is a wrap. Ocala National Forest with Buffalo Off-Road. We're ended up here. We did almost 50 miles. It was actually pretty cool, pretty amazing. At the end, we hit the mud, we hit the water, so that was great. So, you know, the truck was mainly dusty, and but we finished it off with a little mud, but definitely a lot of dust. But you can see some of the mud from the trails, but yeah, we had a great time. Buffalo Off-Road, check them out on Instagram, check them out on Facebook, join the group if you're in Florida. And like I said, as always, thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep that content coming. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on trail next time. See ya.